Hey there, welcome to day 1491, 91. I guess I need some wine. Of what's she up to now? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting the journey as I originally in 2017 transitioned from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. Uh, I've spent 48 years, almost 49, building and growing different businesses. I started out when I was 13 years old as a little girl in the ice business, and I had other businesses and things too. But over the years, I've been involved in 27 different businesses and industries, and simultaneously worked over a quarter century of that time in corporate America for really some of the coolest corporations on the planet. Now, in 2017, following my divorce, I was, old enough to retire, but I didn't really want to throw in the towel yet. So I decided I would explore the internet and the online world. Always been curious about it, but I never really had the opportunity to jump in and really do anything online. I just didn't make the time for it. I didn't make it a priority. And after the divorce and we divested ourselves of all of our mutual assets, I decided I was going to find out what was it all about. What could you do? What couldn't you do? What was possible? What were the advantages, the disadvantages, etc. And so I jumped in and started playing in the internet. I've done a lot of different things on the internet, and I'm in the process of deciding what is it that's next for me. And I'm doing some offline things again, as well as online things. And what do I want to do? I've tried and played in a lot of different arenas. I'm like, well, what do I really like doing? And I find that for the most part, I do challenges. I've done challenges my whole life, long before challenges were a thing, and it's way before the internet even existed and all the internet challenges. And then the last few years of challenges becoming the new marketing strategy and marketing technique, which it is because it's very effective, right? Why do I love challenges? Because challenges work. They're very effective. They work on me. They work on a lot of people because they give us that quick start, that quick win that motivates us to continue on and to keep moving forward in our life. So I'm a huge challenge fan, not just for the marketing ploy of bringing people into your coaching or your consulting or your business, but to really help people move forward. Right now, we're doing an annual challenge. This is actually the fifth one I've done online. I've done annual challenges for a long time myself personally, but this is the fifth time that I've done one online and shared it with other people. And this year we are doing the BU 365-day challenge, which is a challenge to do one thing every day that improves us. I say continually improves us, but improves us, because some of the things we do will just improve us and we don't have to do them every day to get the improvement that we want. We're focusing on 9 key areas and aspects of our life for the first 9 months of the year, and then we'll roll into some other fun activities that I've been thinking about and working on to put in place and make sure that they happen and make this an awesome challenge. Normally, my annual challenge would be something that I do every day to improve one area of my life for the entire year. First one was do one thing every day that scares me, from a little journal book to stretch my comfort zone. The next one was do one thing every day that makes me happy. So I did a whole year of every day we did a random thing that made us happier. Then after that, it was do one fun thing every day, which for 2020 was absolutely perfect. Last year was do one thing every day that centers us, so to get more centered, focused, and calm and understand ourselves better. And then I was like, okay, I want to do my own challenge. So I've been doing my own and not using the little journal books that I got up at the cabin for 4 years. Partly because I ran out of little journal books. I didn't want to do one thing every day that improves your relationship, because I'm not involved in a romantic relationship right now, and it just didn't feel right to me. Or and I've got a couple more do one thing every day, creative thing every day, which is fun, but it's hard to translate onto online because it's a lot of activities, doing sketches and drawings and things like that. And so I thought, okay, I'm done with this. I've outgrown this. Time to do my own. So today was the last day focusing on the emotional area and aspect of our life. Not the last day, but the last day of this segment where we're going to focus on it. We did physical in the month of January, emotional in February, and we'll move on to mindset and thoughts and beliefs next month. So our idiom today that goes right along with that, we talked about how do we continuously improve? What can we do to move forward and improve throughout the rest of the year with respect to our emotional well-being? And that ties in with today's supersize your business idiom, which I'm focusing now. I decided, well, if I'm focusing on a certain area and aspect for these segments, why wouldn't I do that right along with the supersize your business group? So, and page. So for supersize your business, for people that are business people that I interact with, we're talking about every day was physical idiom. And I don't think I started at the beginning of the year, but sometime during the month of January, I said, oh, I'm going to do a physical related idiom to go along with the annual challenge. And then by February, the whole month, I did an emotion related idiom for the whole month. And next month, I'll do a mindset, mental thoughts, beliefs type idiom every day for the month of March. So today's was raise one's game, or to raise your game. How do you raise your game? I shared 14 ways that I've used in the past and that other people have used that help us to up level, to raise our game, to become not only a better business leader, but a better human being, right? Because our businesses only grow as fast as we do. We're only as successful as we allow ourselves to be. And that involves us consciously raising our game, continually improving and getting better and better and better. So I shared 14 ways to do that. All very good ways. And I guarantee even if you just did one or two of them, you would be easily and effortlessly raising your game. Maybe not effortlessly. At first it takes a little effort, but then it becomes just who you are. And once something becomes who you are, it's easy. Once you decide you want to improve and always be getting better, always being a better version of yourself, always be improving, pretty soon it just becomes who you are, and it's automatic. And especially, I guarantee that at the end of this year, if you weren't that type person before, by the end of the year, you will be. And from that point on, you will automatically be improving for the rest of your life. What kind of an impact will that have on your life? Think about that for a couple of minutes. So raise one's game. We talked about that. I forgot what I was going to talk about today. That's okay. Sometimes I just forget about what I'm going to talk about. I'm getting back on track. The kids are back with the baby, so I am back to focusing on the people I'm here to serve. If I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, have an absolutely awesome Monday. I'm getting ready for the mindset month of March, and I need to spend some time doing that today, as well as the other commitments I've made. But if I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow.